The real question is, are you hydrated? Don't lie. If you're not, go grab a glass of water and come back and we'll sit down and start this video together. Okay, cool, see you. Hey yo, how's it going? My name is Heya, nice to meet you, and I'm back at it with another quick and easy tutorial here on my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I overline my lips so you can rock that full, plump lip goodness that seems to be all the hype recently and everyone's talking about it, I think. Yeah. My personal opinion on this is you look good with or without makeup, period. There's no question about it. Stay woke, don't get it twisted. As always, let's skip over the chit chat and dive straight into the video. First things first, I'm making sure I have a nice clean lip to work with. I also make sure to stay hydrated both internally and externally. Trust me, it makes all the difference and does reflect on your lips and skin overall. Then I grab a small lip brush like this one here, and of course your lipstick. Today I'm using Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. Load up your brush with some product, and I like to start lining my lips from the center of the cupid's bow and work my way to the edges of my lips. I'm overlining my lip right above where my natural lips are. You can start off this way and exaggerate your lips as much or as little as you like. Then using the brush, I carefully fill in the remaining inner lip. Another option is to start off by roughly applying the lipstick first and then go ahead and refine your lips afterwards. It's totally up to personal preference. A useful tip would be to work with short strokes with the brush rather than going in and lining it in one stroke. This is more forgiving when it comes to making mistakes and allows you to have more control over what you're doing. Keep working on defining the lips as you wish. For me, it took a couple of tries to understand what I found most flattering in overlining my lips. Everyone is unique, so take your time exploring what works for you, and it's okay if you make mistakes. Speaking of mistakes, if you do end up messing up a little, just grab a concealer brush like this and a concealer. And again, using short strokes to clean up the edges as well as fix any mistakes I may have made. Then I blend out the edges of the concealed areas with either my fingers or a beauty blender or a small brush. Again, totally up to you. And finally, I set the concealed areas with a little bit of translucent powder. Make sure not to go in with too much concealer or powder, otherwise you'll look cakey and creasy, and that's not pretty. And with that, you are done. Wasn't that easy? Again, you may not get it the first time, but like I said, everyone has a unique face with unique features, so in order to know what works for you, you need to experiment and try things out until you land onto something you eventually like. But for the most part, it's pretty easy to achieve this lip. Hold up, we're not done here. Make sure to subscribe and support this channel for more videos like this. If you enjoyed this video or learned something or simply just like me, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that bell notification so you know exactly when I drop more videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Take care and be safe. Bye.